Hi, very good morning, students. Very welcome to Doddappa Residential Independent Science College, Kalburgi online class. In my last class, I have discussed that is 16th question in exercise number 6.1. I am going to next beat, that is solve the next beat question is solve the inequalities in exercises 17 to 28. Show the graph of the solution in each case on number line. In this, the first question is, that is 17, that is 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. Yes, how to solve this one? Similar to the previous question only, but that we have to show that the solutions of x on number line. Yes, let me explain it now. The solution of this one, I will write first of all given is 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Simplify this given inequality statement up to getting LHS side the coefficient of x is positive 1 by using those two rules. Okay, I will remove first of all the 2x from the RHS side. So I am going to use here the first rule, that is s. So I am going to subtract both sides by 2x because rule first one, when we added to or subtracted from both sides of the given inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. Okay, now simplify this LHS side one. This is plus 3x and this is minus 2x. Simplify, will get x minus 2 as it is you write, and simple also write as usual. This is plus 2x and minus 2x become 0. So what left here? 1. Getting my point? On LHS side, with x minus 2 is there. Now I am going to remove this minus 2 from LHS side. How to remove that? By adding both sides by positive 2. Yes. X minus 2 plus 2, same sign will be coming. Now changing 1 plus 2. Because again I am using here rule first one only. Okay, now simplify this one. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0, and right here x is less than 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Yes, how can we denote this one? How can we represent this x values on number line? See here, the value of x is coming left side of the number line. The value of x is less than 3 is there. So that's why. So I am going to represent this x values on number line. Draw number line here. Yes, this is the number line. Yes, I will take this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on to close to infinity. Here -1, here -2, here -3, so on up to minus infinity is there. What are the value of x here? The value of x is less than 3 is there. So where is the x? Positive 3 on the number line. Here is there. So above only you take here small, draw the small circle. Small circle. Don't set it. Keep empty. It means that not including the value of x 3. 3 is not including in the value of x. So if you take here correctly above the 3 small circle and come towards the positive, no, come towards the negative side. Yes, because the value of x is coming left side of the number line. The value of x is less than 3 is there. So I am going to represent the x values is not including the 3, but the value of x is including 2.999. So here the value of x is excluding, but including 2.99 because x is here real number. On real number, in real number we can see the decimal points also. That's why how to represent this solution means correct above the 3 point make small circle without shading it and draw the line towards the left side of the number line. Left side of the number line. This is the solution for this given question. How to represent, how to write the solutions of x on number line. This is the required solution of the given question, that is 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. This is the way of writing the solution of number line. Getting? Okay. Now I am moving to next question, that is 18th one. 18th one is 5x minus 3 is more than or equal to 3x minus 5. Yes, this is the given question. We have to solve this one up to getting the coefficient of x is positive one, then show that solution on number line. Okay, very simple way is it. So come to the solution of 18th one. I am writing in solution given. I will write given as usual 5x minus 3 is more than or equal to 3x minus 5 z. This is the given question. I wish to remove the plus 3x from RSS. So what we do here, we have to separate both sides by 3x. Okay, I am going to write directly here, that is 5x minus 3 minus 3x greater than or equal to 3x minus 5 minus 3x because the first rule. Okay, just I am writing 1 here because the first rule. Okay, yes, what is become here now? Okay, come to simplify this side. 5x minus 3x becomes 2x left here, right, and minus 3 right as usual, and symbol you write as usual greater than or equal to, and plus 3x minus 3x becomes 0, here left minus 5. Now I wish to remove the minus 3 from LHS side. So what we do here again, we have to add both sides by 3 value. Okay, add both sides by 3 value, that is 2x minus 3 plus 3 is greater than or equal to minus 5 plus 3 because rule first one again. I am using the rule first one again here. Okay, simplify. Minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. Right here 2x greater than equal to, so simplify this one, you will get minus 2 value. Minus 5 plus 3 is become minus 2 left. See here the coefficient of x is positive 2 is there. So simplify getting positive 1. So what we do here, for getting the coefficient of x is 1, positive 1, we divide both sides by positive 2. Positive 2. Okay. Then the sign of inequality not changes, not reverse. When we divide or multiplied by the positive value on both sides, then the sign of inequality not reversed. Keep in mind this point, very very important. So I am going to divide both sides by positive 2, then the sign is not reversed. Minus 2 by 2, because in rule 2 only 2 points are there. In rule 2 points you will be see there. We can see there. The first one is when we had multiplied or divided by positive 2, then the sign of inequality not changes. But when we multiplied or divided by negative value, then the sign will be reversed. Here the sign will not reverse because I am going to divide this statement with a positive 2. That's why the sign will be as usual. Okay. Now simplify. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja get cancelled. And 2 1 ja 2 1 ja get cancelled here. So what left here? X is left, and here minus 1 is left. See the value of x here starting from minus 1. So how to read this statement? The x is more than equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is less than equal to x. This only how can we represent a number line? If, see here I will draw the number line. The value of x is moving here. Which side of right side or left side? The value of x is more than minus 1 is here. So obviously this line will be moving towards the right side of the number line. Yes? Okay. Right here 0 it is the middle value, and it is 1, and it is 2, and it is 3, and it is 4, so on up to positive infinity. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on minus infinity. Okay. See the value of x is what including here. The value of x is including the minus 1 also. Then we have to use the small circle with shading one. With shading. Minus 1 here is there. We have to shade this. It means the value of x is including the minus 1 also. Then the value is increasing. The value of x is equal or more than minus 1 is there. That's why first of all equal is there. Then more than minus 1. So the line will be moving towards the right side of the number line. This is the required solution on number line. I hope that all of you getting this one. Yes, very simple task is there. Very simple step is there for finding the value of x on number line. I would like to say one more point to you. I will drop this one first of all. Sir, here you put here empty small circle, and here you put small circle with shading one. What is the difference between these two means? See here the symbol is very important. Inequality symbol is very important here. The less than is there, means the value of x is not including the 3 here. So we have to take small empty circle. And simultaneously here the value of x is more than or equal to minus 1 is there. So the value of x is including minus 1. Then we have to select, then we have to take small circle with shading one. It means including the value of minus 1 also. This is the meaning of shaded small circle. Getting my point? Small point. Think it is small circle, a small point with shading. This is the meaning of this one. Okay? I hope that all of you getting this one clearly. Okay, come to the next 19th question. 3 of 1 minus x is less than 2 of x plus 4. Yes, this is the given question. And how to represent this solution on number line? How to represent this solution on number line? Let us come to the solution of this one. Yes, I am writing in solution in this way. I will write first of all given 3 of 1 minus x is less than 2 of x plus 4. Okay, now simplify. Multiply both terms with 3 here. Plus into plus, plus 3 1 ja 3. Plus into minus, minus 3 into x, 3x. Yes, very simple is it. And with simple you write as it is. 2 plus into plus, plus 2 into x, 2x. Plus into plus, plus 2 4 ja 8. In next step, I want to remove this plus 2 from RHS side 1. So what we do here, we have to subtract both sides by 2x. Yes, now subtract. Minus 3 minus 3x minus 2x, 2x plus 8 minus 2x from rule 1. From rule 1. Yes. Simplify from the LSA side 1. This is single term, you write 3 is as is 1. Minus are there both. So add and keep the same sign. It is become minus 5x. Less than, simple you write as it is. This is plus 2x and it is minus 2x. It has become 0. And here plus 8 is left. Yes. The next one. I want to remove this part. 3 positive 3 from LSS side. So I am going to separate both sides by 3. Okay. 3 minus 5x minus 3 less than 8 minus 3. Getting? Okay. Simplify this one. Plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So left here minus 5x is less than 5. Simplify. 8 minus this 5. Okay. See here in this step, the coefficient of x is minus 5 is coming here. So I want to convert into the coefficient of x is positive 1. So what we do for getting the coefficient of x is positive 1? Divide both sides by minus 5. So then the sign will be reversed because of second rule. Here I am applying again here the rule first one only. Now the next step I am using the second rule. Then the sign will be reversed. 5x minus 5. Because rule second one. Okay. Now simplify. Minus 5 minus 5 get cancelled left here. Only x. X is more than minus 1. Yes. X is more than minus 1. This only you have to show that on number line. Okay. I am going to rub this one. See what are the values of x will be including here. If x is a real number means. X, what is the meaning of real number? Real number is just a number on the number line. Yes. Okay. The value of x is what happening here? The value of x is more than minus 1. Means more than minus 1 means we have to take minus 0.9 also. So this only so on number line. I will draw number line here. Here 0 I will take 1, 2, 3, so on. Equals to infinity. Here minus 1, minus 2, so on, minus infinity. Yes. I will write here the value of x is more than minus 1, but the value of x will be including here 0 minus 0.99 also. And after this 0, 1, 2, this value will be moving towards the right side of the number line. So here the less than symbol is there. We have to take empty circle, small empty circle above the minus 1. Yes, draw one small empty circle above the minus 1. What includes this? What stand is? This will be sorry. This means what? Empty circle. The value of x is not including the minus 1, but including the minus 0.99 values. So that's why I am taking here. This is meaning excluding, not including. Okay. And from this side, the value will be moving towards the right side of the number line. So draw this side. I don't know. Up to first infinity, we can take the value of x. Means the x is more than minus 1 means. Getting this one? Very simple is it. The solution option here is it. Please copy. Now I am moving to next question, that is 20. Yes. Twenty question. X by 2 is more than or equal to 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Yes. 20th question in your exercise, that is 6.1. Now come to the solution of this one. I will write the given as is one. X by 2 is more than or equal to 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Yes. Now I am going to simplify the RHS side one. Now I am going to take the LCM of 3 and 5 here. Yes, take it. X by 2 is more than or equal to. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? 50 it will come. Divide with 3 to this one. When we will be dividing 5 here. So we have to multiply it with 5. And when we will be coming in 5 table 53 here, we have to multiply it with 3. Yes, getting my point? Multiply 5x into 5, 25x minus into plus minus 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 10. Yes, I will write this one is inside the bracket only. And plus into plus 7x into 3, 21x minus into plus minus 3 3 is 9. So write once again. Simplify from the brackets now with multiply negative value to both sides from the to the both of the inside the terms. X by 2 is more than or equal to 25x minus 10 minus into plus minus 21x minus into minus plus 9 divided by 15. In numerator see here, likeness will simplify yourself normally. It is 25x and it is minus 21x is there. Simplify x by 2 keep as usual as it is, and symbol also write as it is. 20 plus 25x minus 21x become 4x. And minus 10 and plus 9 is become minus 1 divided by 15. Okay. In next test, I am going to remove the positive to this side and 15 from RSS side. So what we do here, we have to multiply both side by 2 and 50. Yes, I am going to multiply here both sides by 2 and 50. When we are multiplying with positive sign, then the sign will not affect, then the sign of negative will not affect. We have to write as it is. S, write it is again. 4x minus 1 divided by 15 into 2 into 15. Because rule second one. Yes, write it is. Okay, simplify 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So what left here? We have to write that is 15x is left here. And the sign you write as it is. Here also 15 on the 15, 15 on the 15. What left? 2 left. You have to multiply 2 to these two terms. 2 4 is 8x. And minus and plus minus. 1 into 2. This is the next step. 15x is more than or equal to 8x minus 2. Come to here. Yes. So I am going to remove the plus 8x from RSS side. So what we do here? Apply the first rule. Subtract both sides by 8. Yes. See here, 15x minus 8x greater than or equal to 8x minus 2 minus 8x. Simplify, you will get 7x is more than or equal to minus 2. Getting? This both will become 0. 7x is more than or equal to minus 2. Okay? Yes. For making this one, what we do? We have to divide by 7 on both sides. For making the coefficient of x is positive 1, we have to divide both sides by positive 7. Then also the sign will not changes. Getting my point? Yes. 7x. Here rule is applying the first one only. 7x by 7 is more than or equal to minus 2 by 7. Okay, simplified one. 7 on the 7 on the, and here left the value of x is more than or equal to minus 2 by 7. Okay. In this way we have to simplify. Then we have to write the value of x on number line. So how can we represent this solution on number line? That is important here. Okay. How can we represent this one on number line? Okay. The value of, simplify this one. Simply here with here negative will be coming. So directly we have to simplify here only. If you are not getting it, don't go division form. I will simplify. In 7 table 2 will not come, so I will take 0 point. So what will come? 0 will come. It become minus 20. In 20 will come in 7 table? No. It will not come. So nearest to 20 what is there? 6. So 7 to 0 will come. Getting? Minus 0.2 it will come. So what left? 6 left. Again take 0. 60 becomes 60. So nearest to 60, which one is there? Which one is there? 7 8 56 will come. So 8 will come. So minus 2.28 will be coming. The value of x here in simplification form minus 0.28 something it will come. How can we represent this value on number line? This is the important S. See here, right? Otherwise R in bracket also you can write minus 2 by 7 also. Okay. As take number line, the value of x will be including here here I will write the value of x here. More than or equal to is there here. More than or equal to is there here. That's why the yes, what is happening here? The value of x is more than or equal to means the value of x is more than or equal to means minus 2 is there. So the number line will be moving towards which side? Which side will be moving this one? S towards the RHS side will be moving. S. Okay. I will write first of all the value of x will be coming 2.28 minus next 2.27 minus so on and 0 1 2 3 up to first infinity will be getting. Means the value of x will be coming towards the right side of the number line. So draw the number line here and it is a 0 1 2 3 4 so on positive infinity, and here minus 1 and minus 2 and so on minus infinity. So minus 0.28 where it will be coming a number line. Here it will come 0.0 is there now. 2.8 will be coming here. In between 1 and 0, the small repeater board line will be coming. That mean is 0.5. Before 0.5 only 0.2 minus 0.28 will be coming. So that's why here the symbol is greater than or equal to is that we have to go with shading circle above the 0.28 I am shading here. So then the value will be moving towards the right side. That's why the arrow mark will be moving towards the right side of the number line. This is the required number line solution for the given question. I hope that all of you getting this one. Yes. Okay. Now I am going to give some of examples to you for doing your self assignment. Please go and come. Okay, I am going to rub this one now. It is 20th one now. And the next one is for you only. That is for assignment. And you think it is 21 and you take it as an assignment it is simple. 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. 22nd one, take it one more here. 3x minus 4 divided by 2 is more than or equal to x plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Take as an assignment or homework or practice problems. These two we have to take assignment or practice work. Okay. These are the short example is there in your textbook on page number 120 and 121. Okay. Now this like question will be asking for 2 marks. So be serious. Okay. Now I am moving to the next question on practical problems, on word problems. Okay. Now I am going to rub this one. Okay. Now come to the 21st question from your textbook of exercise 6.1. 21. Ravi obtained 79 75 marks. Sorry. Marks in first 2 unit test in first 2 unit test full stop. Find the minimum marks he obtained. He should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. 60 marks. Okay, this is the given question, is it? By using this question we have to find the minimum value of for scoring the average 60 marks, and how much marks should be get in third unit test. Okay, so we have to take third test marks in general form. We have to consider that is x marks. Let x be the marks obtained by Ravi in third test. Yes, we don't know how much marks he took in third test, but we have to find the third test marks for getting minimum at least 60 marks average. Getting? Okay. Now come to the solution of this one. Let x be the marks. Let x be the marks obtained by Ravi, obtained by Ravi in third test. Is then how can we write for finding the average? How can we find the average? The sum of given all observations divided by number of observations. Yes, in this way, in this method we will find the average of the for the given question, for the given data, for the given observations. You know very well. Yes, that's why then according to the given question, here in two tests, 70 plus 75 plus, and in third test how much is scored in general form? I took here x, and number of tests how much is over? 3, and at least means you have to take this is greater than equal to 60 is the average. 60 is there, no, here. That's why. Now simplify by using the rule of inequality. Okay. Now simplify in numerator side. Now this will be coming 145 plus x divided by 3 is more than or equal to 60. Now I want to remove the 3 from the LHS side. So what we do here, we have to multiply both sides by 3 by using the rule second one. Okay, 145 plus x into 3 divided by 3 is more than or equal to 60 into 3. Yes. Now simplify. Now simplify this one. 3 1 ja 3. Sorry. 3 1 ja 3. Now write here 145 plus x is more than or equal to, multiply this 180. Yes. In next step I want to remove the positive 145 from the LHS side. What we do here, subtract both sides by 145. Now I am using the second rule here, just I will write the second here. Okay. Yes, just I am subtracting both sides by 145. The sum will be remain same here, 180 minus 145 because of first rule. Subtracting on both sides by 145. So first 15, negative 15 become 0. The value of x is remains same. The x is remains positive one is coming coefficient. And get on equal to, simplify this one. So 5 will be coming. And here left 7. In 7, 4 is remove 4, 7 from subtract 7 in 4, you will be getting 3. Yes. How much marks Ravi should we get in third test for scoring minimum? At least average of at least is 60 marks. That is 35 marks. So you have to write one conclusion. Thus the Ravi must obtain the Ravi must obtain a minimum of 35 marks to get an average of at least 60 marks. Getting my point? I would like to explain again here. Yes, this is the what problem is there. Yes, the given question is that Ravi obtained 75 marks in first two unit tests. Then they ask here, find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. Yes, this is the given question. By using the given question data, we have to find the minimum marks. How much we have to score for getting at least 60 marks percentage out of these subjects, out of 3 tests here. A test is there. Okay, from the given question only I am going to write here in general format. We don't know how much marks will be scored in third test, so that's why I am taking in general form. Let x be the marks obtained by Ravi in third test. Simply I am writing in third test he scored x marks. Okay, then according to the given question I am going to write here, I am going to find the average of 3 subjects, 3 unit test average. Yes, 70 plus 75 plus x divided by 3 is greater than equal to 60 will come. So simplify by using the inequality rules here. Yes, I am going to remove the 3 from LHS side. So I am going to multiply both sides by 3. then this both will be going, and when you multiply 3 into 60, you will be getting 180, and here it will become 145 plus 6. Sorry, x 145 plus 6 is more than equal to 180 will be getting here. Again, remove this 145 from the LHS side. So I am going to subtract both sides by 145. So first 145 negative 145 becomes 0, and left here x. I here subtract 145 180, so it remains here 35. This 35 is the required marks in third test for scoring at least 60 marks percentage. 60 marks percentage. Getting my point? Thus, we have to write the conclusion. That is, thus Ravi must obtain a minimum of 35 marks to get an average of at least 60 marks. In this way, we have to write the solution for the given question. Getting my point? Okay. The remaining questions I will discuss in the next class. Take care. Bye.